Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Just wanted to show a gift that was sent to me recently by my good friend Dan at Hardwood Hollow Skills in Bushcraft. I had found a Gerber Applegate-Fairbairn knife combat folder discarded in a planter at a location that I do groundskeeping for, and it had been in there for a while. It was pretty dirty and pretty messed up, and I had shown it to Dan, and he said that he'd like to have it, that he was going to restore it. And so I gave it to him this past Christmas when we got together, and to my surprise he sent it back to me as a gift in this very nice little Cordura pouch. And I wanted to show you how he modded this. He completely restored this. This thing was filthy and rusty, and he put a pocket clip on it, and then the knife had been modded by whoever discarded it. It had a double edge. He has ground that off and made it just a single edge. And then the tip was very blunt, and he modded it into a tanto. So this is probably the only Gerber Applegate-Fairbairn folding combat folder that has a tanto tip and a pocket clip. Now they made a pocket-friendly version of this called the, I think it was called the Covert, and it was somewhat smaller. This is very large. I'm going to move the camera here. This is a very large folder, and very hand-filling. But he polished out the blade, removed the rust, and restored it. And I just wanted to shoot a quick video to express my appreciation to Dan for his fine work, and for very graciously sending this back to me. I really thought he was gonna, and I intended he'd keep it for himself, and this thing was missing the screws that hold it together, and it was dirty, and he has just done an amazing job at restoring it. So thank you, Dan. Thank you very much. It will now join, I own one of these, the original, with the original sheath, and they don't make them anymore. So now this one will be the brother to the one that I already own, just as you are a brother to me. And I thank you, and with much brotherly love, I thank you. So there you have it. Gerber Applegate-Fairbairn Tanto. Doesn't get any cooler than that. Alright, we'll check you later.